I will not be surprised if Tinkler after traveling to Brokum, Swedru and Doma decides to leave Kotoko and run away.
Yes, I'm okay.
No, I won't be surprised. Say after 3 away games in the Ghana Premier League, now Obakacha could compete for the segment to win because Ghana have failed fans and footballers. Or my it is politicians, the football federation, everybody has failed as a country. Or meaning was for politicians in from Mampenny to Obey in for football for being for both previous and current and previous Obey in for they failed as a country. They are shameless people. They failed the country. You see, like young canoe crump. You see, sometimes come say, come on, panokore. Shameless politicians, shameless football people. You see, Bono, how do you say, oh, yeah, Papa, Jibo? He has regretted being in Ghana. No, he has regretted.
Nasa no ankasa.
No, sir, ma'am.
O kan ni nyina no say.
Some chairman in Kanza.
O say.
You see, when so be continuously.
O say e course na so mo ye adwumanya results. They just all you ready.
No, Zibo. Results on anything. How do you get results on the back pitch? Eh? Most of the foreign coaches are about Ghana Premier League, no. Some of them, it's not like they are not good coaches. So. Number 2, there is one adage bina foreign coach in the league. And you know, correct? Because of your shameless football that you are doing in this country, don't want to the league. Come and say, you know.
Even day.
That they can't don't play good football. You can't play good football. To go away, talk about bim. How do you win a league when you are going to away beyond? You can't play to your satisfaction. And at the end of all boys, you have to change what you have taught the boys to go and play bim because you can't pass the ball. So most foreign coaches fail not because you are not good coaches. And a foreign coach in the league, and you're correct. Ultimately, because ball now here, bono kumasi and pitches no, and more to the football that they want to play. You see, I like Eric Tinkler, Papa. I'm saying so far they on any Brunia, and I say for Rabo Kumasi, yeah. With me, he's not thinking about the money and fun on the Omeka fun, but he's telling you the truth. How shameless you people are in this country. He is telling you the truth. How Okromasi and you disappointed young and upcoming boys who wants to use football as almost that. I like him. Me penasem Papa Eric Tinkler. Me penasem Buta for how he is telling us the truth as a country. Nanya mi was you say Tanzania good pitches as in Ghana. And then we say Jibu. Say in 2026 we are being told that Tanzania is having good pitches than Ghana. Then we sit here and we are happy say football Kromasi. We are happy, we are doing football. Now do you know why I like this man so too much? He's also telling me if he has a problem with worker. The only thing he's admitted said they are working on it. And they just say I wanted young one, so he's telling the whole world Kotoko na pitches in his house yet. So how do you teach the boys to play like the way you want to play? And to be say, you know, we will judge the coach say on but the blueprint, what he wants to teach them, no one thing on that pitch. Then you know, now quite the old Namibeye, drew young coach, young coach, Brad, young coach, young coach, the freeze. Nasa, we will see the real football from the coach. I'm say, hey, me would wow from the first year and the Tinkler started to Okasa. Now, I make us say, Obey a man is a point. Who says he upon here? Way a Legon, Sano, Legon, Tinkler. Mum translate mano. Cut say Legon F power, where good pitch power, Legon. Based on, yeah, pitch is a ball, Legon power, Tinkler. the pitches you are going to see in Ghana, Legon, pa. What do your uncle away honum no? Unto to uncle honum no? Or call honum na? He will see the real pitches in Ghana.
This coach will definitely leave Kotoko in the middle of the league pair because he has started giving excuses. Ima edifi UK, Kwame Ima, and the message we edi Abba. Mamefa we encounter no more emienu eya adwene. Kofi J said yesterday I said Tinkler is talking too much. If you go to Rome, do what the Romans do. This is what we have. Take it like that and do what you can. And also Kofi AJ. Any madi and Macabu Mamdiabano.
Woman and Macroman, you know. You see, I said, woman, you money about Kofi. Omuna, they are the enemies to Ghana. Omuna Macromas and Queen. How can you tell us? Ghana in 2026. Yeah, I can't say I'm improving and fast attach. I will say, the 1 year. What is your 1 year?
They said,
you can now own them because I can't call them for anybody. I can't UK. You see, sometimes we should not be entertaining this mediocrity. I know bring me a problem. I say, young fans are there. I'm not also fans. No, Captain. And any brother, we want to solve our problem. They're not going to UK catch and say, if you go to Rome, do what Rome do. Also, make no commerce on your room. We want to see good pitches. We are telling our politicians that they should improve our pitches for us. Now to UK catch and say, young fans are.
Football should be run well. Yeah, no.
No, so you shouldn't tell us one Tinkler goes to Rome, you should do what Rome's that. Debbie?
Tinkler first league game, Oko Brekum. On a DBB United, Brekum Golden State Park.
You see, when football, you play in pool. The reason why we sit and enjoy the Premier League, the reason why we sit and enjoy the Spanish Liga, the Bundesliga, the Italian Serie A, because of the pitch that they place on it. And to you, who say, oh, the Messi, they can play like the way they are playing. Jibo, go and bring Barcelona to come and see if they can play. You are enjoying those players, those things, because they are playing on a very good pitch. Our players are struggling. And you see, first and all, say the reason why Obi have say, oh, first and play some no more pitch of us. And then okay. So person go back and watch videos of 2000, 2001, 2002. Years and see the pitches in Accra and Kumasi.
Mamento Sozaki Toyada Sakwa. We you free Komunuma and discipline comes in all angles. And young pennyfua they are great lack of sexual discipline. Now bring your mother down to the lowest point. Once I face scandal be a hectic, we any she once and any more than be a 40 years I get down. Just one moment of weakness. I went me apply discipline, especially sexual discipline. Bones and a team KJ Nababeto. Yeah, they be a bonfire say, we a bema. Now, me holding when it comes to that particular part. Tinkler and common now know, you can be a good player, but without discipline, maybe I say would do. Why interview I say talent is not enough on his books. And in his books, talent is not enough. He wants more than talent. And Wakasa Ediafa, how players even comport themselves when they are being selected and when they are even on the bench. Because Adiaba Bua Bempani is a play an hour bobo. Now, you are ban channel, Betis say will be on the bench or could account once and morning. And Buaman Chichimu Betim Papa, and it's something that is very common when it comes to Ghanaian players. Obibo born not yet criticize it. The unipartner film and the banner better ponus into me for my pen dear and tower, and that is indiscipline. For a team to survive, everybody within the team must have one spirit, one understanding, and be ready to follow the leader when it comes to the instructions from the leader. You can't say much because apart from report and a Dao Kotoko. No one can stop paying any buy. Edding any share. Any boys need training for almost 2 weeks to even 3 weeks before a decision was taken. Into so cast we yi nkatebone na free mu a tibo e kire so wo hu bibi because enye so oba ya na obepam obi a based on hearsay or invite boys no you engage them in different conversation, you engage them in different meetings or has studied the body language of these players. The player who a coach to me ba all my instruction no maybe a coach na said that assign it obi say won jira baby hwe ma ade ma no and or the camera see baby hwe ade ma obi no kofi otimi ko analyze who the body language of some of these players anyhow time all my instructions no the no more ye when he was giving the instructions and all my instructions no done any humpo no the na bi mu ye won achi there are some players are coach my instructions the one no so jira baby kasa e ho na afi no mo so kire mo adwen ni nyino betwe. So you understand him. Kotoko needed discipline. They needed players that will remain focused. Players that to some extent they will admit that they don't know and be ready to learn. You were idea about when Ghanaian players wow. In their search to know something, they don't even know what they don't know. So even if you are teaching them what they don't know, they act like they know. And the idea brofu coaches need engage most of them. Say Ghanaian player control ball. Now watching the Nigerian chance derby. At the end you control the say no. Oh cano. Most of can achieve more than our Bahadabe. Eh suban bonny our Ghanaian players move pass. So most of them more tiasem no. I'm about so to form. Eh had here. Brofu coaches never no more. Most of them you see improvement in some of them. And to us steady. Eya normally abrofu coaches ne ba mo ya ade no bo so obi onya ade abesa na ho ko because the onya ade ni timi gitum say me nya ade I want to take advantage of this opportunity, make good use of it and learn. Most of them are not ready to learn even when they meet someone na onim che omo and we are sejibo obi onim ade che obi an kan papa mu ese wo tenase na o kirew na wi ade onu nim no e de kan wo de when dem mo abrabo atumpon. Ghanaian players, most of them they fail to admit that, especially say nipa no ba no be kire method foforo nom the bomb match ba ko na amfa mienu na amfa see e kan until the Kroma na coach be about 3 back. We had Ghanaian players complain say they high about 3 back. They were complaining say won't me ball wing back but be too kwan oba ko through on now right winger no otu na enye yie. If or modify no tiasie the act of defending as a winger e kan ne ball ho a ke bi obetimi akonya left back ba bi ahye a survive Francis Akwafo e ka kire me say oko Libya at a point okoye na ne position obon captain the ball ye yi ni si nche enye yi. Unfortunately for him coach no ne koya no woni mu gidie no and did enu adi na ansa ne eja na kwan. He started from a full back position. And to moya say all born any or corner ni ma de oye no and the convince coach ni say then indeed obetumi about our position.
Okay.
So jibo omacho omego omuncho omungu. Some of these boys were not ready to come to the party. They were not ready to do anything serious for Kotoko. Omo body language no na bibia kire say omo na nsi kwan so omoko. And you are cry because somebody that is not ready to play for Barcelona or even think twice when it comes to playing for Barcelona don't deserve to play for Barcelona.
Okay. Eti yamfa say players iba Kotoko. Na omunye players a ni atage omo with this indiscipline. Omo ba Kotoko. And afi start here players in discipline. Ya wonyoma lead to sa indiscipline asem ya ye kan. Any board wo Tinkler coach foforo waba Stanley Menzo director of football edi anyoma na sisi ya ekofa sa indiscipline bae ene bi o mabo ma create the environment but sa anyoma ne betimi assess biem na sa kofa sa issue ne ba.
You see, I remember when we went to SS na the chaplain be na on na o2 yafo no see hana waba no there are so many systems ewa. There was a system that will bring the best out of you. And you want another system and also say group abeso di wa abrabom no. That system no be boa mo hunu ye pa. And you as an individual and I'll be determined system I'll say o run on through. in as much as we are talking about the Kotoko system, the IMC back then, Jibu, there were other players almost by Yantium was and Boneda. And I believe there were other players that within the same system, when given the opportunity, even the players themselves will share positive testimony or recommendation or remarks about these players. Any almost what bano. What didn't hold a ball after Kubi ever taught system beer a man is suban bonino a day do abrabum. So in any system, depending on who as an individual, who now bet chere so a man who crime a bonia farmu and a papa farmu appear. So yes, I admit that to some extent it do be a so mianium. Netima the opeso dinse no bre. But the one seen a buso opeso dinse muno are on your nages of man ho quine. Sa honey the main chawa. A honey a baby, a me betia bear a fim ye nubi, no more baby papa akono. Sandy pana or Jim pa. What can the CS to say? One bahaso be diaglono. That same environment or better from what quack jekesi. No be swat now, same environment. No, I say after Kotokono, both and the born a baby.
Okay.
So Tinkler bet near me environment, you saying. All forms of disciplinary measures they can apply it. But as an individual, what is your decision? One kasawa take you regards to where you want to get to.
Okay.
I used to say this, and Makase nipa why na adwen say onko nanim no upia ne sen emfa wo ba boni a why na adwen so obefo wachi no upa ama ne wiase mu nyoma nyina obefo wachi.
Okay.
Je obenya ama ne nyina obefo upa ama no 24 hours monitoring kata wani 3 seconds oba ko dinse mu no.
Okay.
And de why na adwen say obeso obobra pa no jan ho kotena brochire 20 years obobra pa. So
the coach
line is a players no yeka systems no. The systems can be there. The measures can be there, but players now Kasano, what do they want to achieve as individuals, and how ready are they open to receiving the information that they don't know to take them to the next level?
House of folk match be on board air worker. So the mentality couple will be out from the boot in a run on the sabo pitch, and so I see the pitch. So our pitches has always been bad. Part of the reason why I Ujai because na enyese Obama house na house kwa we are not own to be Kobe. But clearly, apart from a class stadium, apart from some few stadia, and maybe pitches no of course between our balls on the akano na edin so on the in interest credit I didn't know. With regards to the pitches in the Tinkler only ready because we cry illegal. Obeko bomb matches were away. Hostile environment, bad pitches, poor officiating. Only ready. And sometimes you may want to agree with them because I hear the frustration in our football about driving crazy. And look at his composure, look at his body language, look at the tonation. You can see clear a man that is not happy. You see, just look at it. And then when I didn't say, I heard the bell 5 times. I look at it, I say, this man is not happy. He seems not to be happy.
Yanko officiating. I'm saying which is important. I call officiating.
Yes.
Safe
to say that George say what's the first interview now? You're the friend now the clarification. I mean, they say or say on a show on Thursday because in some no kind you know say also I ready so why in there and yeah as I say or your name and shame. So George I was telling one of the close guys and after a show they say look George cannot just throw something into the air and then leave with the media to go to chase after it. So sister you ready pa and yeah I saw a naming and shaming.
So Obama so answer.
And you must one question the statement no. And you must one no worker.
But
it's not enough.
Also Baba twice Thursday.
It's not enough. Until I'm gonna say that's what Thursday on your show no. So actually Thursday we wait George Mwai Kakranka home.
near sanitizing your system no near good people to be part of our league because boss catch the young for no who is almost strategic bribe also no
catch the young for
oh omoje boss I'm going to say assassin one pound as
mentida
mpacho for asutu from
omba na nkura no na se
me say one more je
omo so ma corrupt omo
omo twa betting so catch them young for no
ba for asem evidence
boss o pese hu asem bi
committee
mfichira ho me no be ka asem bi
kana hey say ha na tie fu aha na o kan wasem
nanu ye ade na mbo obo ase no enanu ye ade na mbo obo ase no onim say most of the matches if not all were arranged for betting purposes. Most of the matches, if not all. Enti media matise some of these catch up the young omumpo they have been corrupted. Enti our referee doesn't have a future. Share my story. The very story no had sometime last week. Referees be break to America. I don't know some friends Cooper test no. Most of them FLE, including the Ghana's #1 referee. Joseph Lai, Bibi Lai. Ye lie in friend. Then a lie, omu nyina FLE. Now, omu ye no north and south. Ebinuma be two south dey be still omu FLE.
You move no be two south.
Omu be two be still omu FLE.
After failing one off no.
Aye. And they are no say FIFA for now, fairly. Omo be another one ama wo. Sanko for no. Pay FIFA share no say wo fairly sa. This time around the year, and you FIFA never for one now. We be the cost no. And if you crowd on man, you say omo nye no ha. But I know there. Information just say every national lobby. Ama ebia on betu no ha. Ewo Legon. But omo fairly to say other referees no munye FIFA referees na omo fairly no
On the inform
ka omo komo nka ho but me information ni say omo ya mo so kotu bi so that ye wetu na pass wo omo for the league now yes omo wo omo flag o red and green yellow so bi sa say yes at time no na wantimi na ya flag o ye obi ho no mo a utim say ontimi ni amano pass no twem ko enti bi ho no mo a even the so called pass no mo pass ye kra no eno krampo no ye hwe omo nim na ye mom I spoke to a referee referee pa na kan sam so we kire me enti say obi say Tinkler referee betu mo na dwane a ndwakore bia
na over said they will see canning same straight na ya hwe Kotoko ko ball game bi na officiating ankoyi
obekasa
and some obeke ka fa referee ho no efe no go fast ma bekruma
efe no be sanction no so okasa so na wan kasa yi a so ohun green paper no wo buru ho obek green paper brutal